Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In today's video, I'll provide you free login for AI check-in, which is provided by HEC. The first of all, you have to log in here. The website for login is jetck.com. Select the teacher assistant account, then write this email address and the password, and then click on login. If you have any problem in password or in login, you can ask me in comments. I will provide and I will guide you in these problems you will face. Okay, now it's login. Then click on AI Checker. The first we will create a content here for testing. Once this writing will complete, then we will copy this file and will create a document file from here. Note one thing, it will accept only docx file, which extension is docx. If we create a doc file, it will not work. Okay, now the writing is stopped, I think so. Let's wait a while. Okay, now it's completed. We will copy from here, then we will create a document file. Okay, rename it. Let's check it. Click on AI Checker. Then drag and drop or click on here and browse your file. Click submit file. Here the error is appear. It means that this file is .docx, doc, not docx. So let's convert this doc file to docx. Click on save as, and here we will select the docx. Let's choose docx. Where is it? Okay, let's search again. Yeah, here is docx file. We will click on save. Yes, okay. Now click on AI Checker. Browse the file, the docx file. It only accepts the docx extension, so we will submit it. Here the result appear. AI is 83.35%. From here, now you can direct print this, or you can save this file as a print. If this background is not appear, then click on more setting, and here select the background graphics and then print. Through this option you can save or print this file. If you want to check again, then click on AI Checker again, then submit your file as we shown in previous. Okay, then submit it. Here the result is appeared. From here you can change the theme, and from here you can log out